Hey, this is Brian McMahon with Rocket Plumbing. I want to give you an idea of what's inside a tub. I just pulled this shoe, and if you look closely, this is about how much waste you have. This is all hair that's built up over about 4 or 5 years. Okay, long length of it. This tub was really slow. I pulled the shoe, and you've got just a big, massive glob of hair. Okay, that's about probably 16, 18 inches in length once you hold it all up. So just want to give you an idea as why your tub drain might be slow. Long hair builds up with the soap scum, and over time it just creates a real slow drain in any of your tubs, and it has to be pulled out. If you have any more questions, contact Rocket Plumbing. We'll be happy to take care of your slow tub drain.